Yeah, that sounds fun. Where is it? Where's the boat?
It's right here.
Wow, that's a big boat.
Hold it up and see if us.
Do you think I'll fit in the boat?
You do fit.
I do fit.
Here is your instruction coat.
Cool, thank you.
Your instruction pants.
Thank you.
And your instruction shoes.
My construction shoes?
And your instruction gloves.
My construction gloves?
Huh?
All right.
And your instruction hat.
And my construction hat. Okay, let's build the boat.
No, you check the map when I build.
Oh, okay. I'll just check the map. Good thing I have my construction clothes on to check the map. Right?
Say construction.
Construction.
Build the boat.
All right, it's all built. Can we go ride the boat now? All right.
Hold it. Heavy.
I thought we got to get it inside the boat.
It's heavy.
Here, I got it. Okay, put it in the water. Okay, let's get in.
I'm driving.
Okay, I'll sit behind you. I'll stand behind you.
Whoa. You gotta sit.
Oh, my bad.
Buckle you. And here's your swim coat and my swim coat.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. Oh, it's a rowboat.
What?
Are you rowing?
Uh-huh.
Oh no! Oh, I fell in the water. Help! Get me back in the boat. Don't run over me.
You back up.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Dad, you wanna go fishing?
Yeah.
Okay, here's one for you and one for me.
All right.
Fish.
Oh, I got a big one.
And I got a big one too.
All right. Let's eat them. Let's go cook them and eat them.
Uh-huh. Come on. Let's come in. Right. Let's go in the kitchen. Follow the light down.
Okay, you cook it.
Ooh, no cooking.
All right.
Oh, no cooked.
All right. Let's eat it.
Let's go get a soy.
All right.